I now request Ms. Meenakshi Joshi, HOS of Sarvodaya Vidyalaya, FU Block Pitampura, to briefly share the feedback about outreach program.
Namaskar, sir. Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Shri Manish Sisodia, sir. Our very own Director, sir. Respected Vice Chancellor, sir. All the dignitaries present here. Faculty members, teachers and students. A very good morning to all of you. It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of this mega event today, that is inauguration of Lab on Wheels. I reckon that it is an extension of academic excellence of Delhi Technological University, a university that has been imparting educational and other social services to the community at large for many decades. I would like to share that our school has been a proud recipient of the Social Responsibility Project initiated by DTU. As a part of it, the DTU has deployed BTech students in various schools of government of NCT of Delhi for teaching students of class 11th and 12th standards. In my school, BTech students of DTU worked in collaboration with our staff members and initiated their projects where primary focus was on subjects like physics, chemistry and mathematics. They also prepared them for upcoming competitive examinations. The teaching methods were interactive. As a result, our students were immensely motivated and benefited by the DTU students. DTU students worked diligently, inspired, guided, motivated, and left a deep impact on our students. The students of BTech are not only having sound knowledge of concerned subjects, but they were also equipped with technological advancement. I personally reviewed my students and they told me that DTU students taught them how to apply shortcuts and how to focus on important areas. Our students also looked forward to be guided by them. Overall, sir, it was an excellent experience. I feel that initiatives like this should continue in future as our young students need their seniors as their role models with whom they can talk freely without any hesitation. Today, the Lab on Wheels is also inaugurated as a part of academic project whose goal and aim is to prove to be an instrument in improving academic performances of students of government of NCT of Delhi. Hence, I would like to quote Swami Vivekananda, who once said, "The goal may be distant, but awake, arise and stop not till the goal is reached." I assure the house present here that if DTU continues to impart its academic services for the school students, we shall be pleased to be a part of it and will surely help in achieving its goal. Sir, I, HOS FU Block Pitampura, assure you all that together we can and we will surely make a difference. Thank you very much.
I invite Mr. Ashish Gupta, a third-year mechanical engineering student and our student intern, to share his experiences. Please be brief.
Honorable Deputy CM sir, Honorable VC sir, and all the dignitaries present here. Good morning everyone. Myself Akash Gupta, and I'm a third-year mechanical engineering student, and I'm also an teaching intern who have witnessed some of the brilliant minds in Delhi Government School. I was deployed as a mathematics teacher in one of the Delhi Government School, which is Sarvodaya Vidyalaya, which is in FU Block Pitampura. I still remember the first day when I went there and HOS sir, head of the school, he introduced me to all the class 11th and 12th students, and believe me, that was the best interaction I ever had. I would be a bit hesitated first, but when I started teaching, I mean, those students were just probably 2 years younger than me. But their enthusiasm gave me power, believe me that. And I started teaching. Even I remember a student who had a great interest in calculus, and he often used to call me for clearing his doubt, and I really loved those moments. That would be the best part of my college life, and for that I'm always be thankful to DTU for providing me this opportunity. You know, sharing your knowledge gives you a lot of happiness, and I have experienced it. I know it. So again, at last, I would like to thank you, DTU, for all the things. I've learned a lot of things, and one more thing is, in future, even after graduating from this college, if I get an opportunity to volunteer in any of these projects, I'll surely do. This is what I've learned. This is what DTU have taught me. So yeah, thank you once again. Thank you so much.
Very nicely summed up, Ashish. And last but not the least, Kumari Neha, student of 11th class at Sarvodaya Kanya Vidyalaya, Pehladpur, who is one of the direct beneficiaries of the outreach activity.
आदरणीय उप मुख्यमंत्री जी, माननीय कुलपति जी, वे सभागार में उपस्थित सभी सम्मानित अतिथिगण, सुप्रभात। मैं नेहा, कक्षा 11वीं की छात्रा, सर्वोदय कन्या विद्यालय पहलादपुर की ओर से इस गौरवशाली क्षण का हिस्सा बनने में अत्यंत हर्षित हूँ। आज DTU में लैब ऑन व्हील्स का उद्घाटन हो रहा है। विगत में दिल्ली प्रौद्योगिकी विश्वविद्यालय से हमारे विद्यालय में बीटेक के छात्र पढ़ाते आते रहे हैं, जो कि काफ़ी अच्छा अनुभव रहा है। उनके पढ़ाने की वजह से वे शैक्षणिक मदद से विद्यार्थियों को काफ़ी लाभ पहुंचा है। उनके पढ़ाने का तरीका काफ़ी तकनीक युक्त और ज्ञानवर्धक रहा है, जिससे गणित व विज्ञान जैसे कठिन विषयों में जटिल प्रश्नों को हल करने और उनको समझने की भी विद्यार्थियों को समझने का अच्छा फ़ायदा मिला है इसका। इन छात्र अध्यापकों का सहयोग, पूर्ण व्यवहार, मार्गदर्शन से हमारे भविष्य में अपना करियर चुनने के लिए हमें काफ़ी मदद मिली है। मैं सभी विद्यार्थियों की तरफ से VC सर से अनुरोध करना चाहती हूँ कि आप इस योजना को भविष्य में भी जारी रखें, जिससे सभी सरकारी स्कूलों में पढ़ने वाले विद्यार्थियों को शैक्षणिक लाभ मिलता रहे। अंत में मैं अपने विद्यालय की ओर से तथा सभी विद्यार्थियों की ओर से DTU व VC सर का धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ और उम्मीद करती हूँ कि भविष्य में भी उनका आशीर्वाद हम पर इसी तरह बना रहे। धन्यवाद।